Hello today. I'm going to show you how to open and close your side windows of your Smart Fortwo. The switches for both side windows are located on the driver's door. There is also a switch for the front passenger side window on the front passenger's door. If you like to use that for the passenger side, no problem for it. The switch on the driver's door takes precedence. On this area we can see two switches. One is on the left side, one is on the right side. The left side switch is for the left side window, and the right side switch is for the right or the passenger side window. We turn the key, the ignition key of our car, to position 1 or 2 in the ignition lock. Then we can open it manually. We press and hold the corresponding button. To open fully, we press the button beyond the point of resistance and release it. This is automatic closing started. To close it manually, we pull the corresponding button and hold it. And vehicle with the comfort package can close it full. We pull the button beyond the point of resistance and release it. This is automatic closing started. To interrupt the automatic opening closing function, we press or pull the corresponding switch again. If we press the switch beyond the point of resistance while opening, the automatic operation is started. In vehicles with the comfort package, we can also start automatic operation when closing. To do so, we pull the switch beyond the point of resistance. We can stop automatic operation by pressing it again. And we can continue to operate the side window after turning the key to position O in the ignition lock or remove the key. This function remains active for 3 minutes or until we open the door. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.